Good day.
Did you sever his head? Head of a giant.
Got me eye on you.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
First, I heard the boom. Then the blast near blew the longships off the
Last
bay.
night was...
'Twas a fallen star in my mind.
Tell me honestly, do you believe that? If only Miss Sven could be a hero like that.
Wish her fine, but ain't nothing like a good...
Lead our ways, Drifter.
May your axe never crumble.
Run, Roach. Move it! That's it, Roach.
Homage to the gods. You wanna pass, you gotta pay. Can't let you through elsewise.
You no conscience. The gods will punish you.
Let him through. No sweat off your back. No harm done.
Perhaps, but then 'tain't no help to us neither. Besides, why do you care? You his nanny or something?
No, I'm someone who has weapons and knows how to use them.
Hear that, lads? He's threatening us.
Let's see if his swords are as sharp as his tongue.
Sit here, cat. Devil's blood, he's fast.
Thank you, Wanderer. I shall say a prayer for you at my pilgrimage's end.
Nice gesture, thanks. Now where's your pilgrimage taking you?
To the four faces of Heimdall, raised in honor of our great hero.
I've heard the legends of Heimdall, a great warrior and first father of the Isles.
'Tis true. And before the advent of Ted Dare, the final age, he shall return, walk amidst us, and face the evil powers, demons, and spectres of chaos. The golden cockerel Camby will crow to warn Heimdall of the coming of the Nargle Fair, bringing the army of darkness. A battle will ensue, Ragnarok, and Heimdall will clash with the forces of the dark.
Let's hope he wins.
It'll make no difference. The prophecy is clear. After Ragnarok, the world will end.
Prophecies can be tricky that way, and there's never an ending that's not also a new beginning, a fresh start.
Let us hope you're right, Wanderer. Let us hope you're right.
Go, go.
Come on.
What do you want?
I'm looking for Hammond.
What for?
Business.
He prays at the chapel on the hill this time of day. If it's slaves you're looking to buy, you'll have to wait till he's done.
He's praying. Wouldn't have thought him a God-fearing man from what I've heard about him.
Yet it's not something that would surprise any man who knows him.
Another snoop. You know the drill.
Well, how long you gonna make me wait?
More, damn it! More!
Shit.
For death! I'll watch ye die with pleasure.